Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I teach you Chinese grammar in a fun and easy way. Today we are going to analyze a very common sentence that you might hear or say in everyday conversations. The sentence is, 我忘了我要说什么了. Let's break it down word by word or chunk by chunk and see what it means. The first word is 我, which means I or me. It is the subject of the sentence and it tells us who is doing the action. The second word is wàng, which means to forget. It is the verb of the sentence and it tells us what the action is. The third word is le, which is a very important grammatical particle in Chinese. It has many functions and meanings, but in this case, it indicates that the action of forgetting has been completed or has occurred in the past. This le is called the perfective le and it usually follows a verb. The fourth word is wo, which again means I or me. It is the object of the verb wàng and it tells us what was forgotten. The fifth word is yao, which means to want or to need. It is another verb and it modifies the following verb shuō, which means to say. Together, yao shuō means to want to say or to need to say. The sixth word is shénme, which means what. It is the object of the verb shuō and it tells us what was wanted or needed to be said. The seventh and final word is le, which is another grammatical particle. This le is different from the previous one and it has a different function and meaning. This le is called the modal le and it usually appears at the end of a sentence. It indicates that there is a change of situation or state, or that there is some new information or emotion involved. In this case, this le expresses a sense of frustration or regret about forgetting what to say. So, putting it all together, 我忘了我要说什么了 means I forgot what I wanted to say or I forgot what I was going to say. It implies that the speaker had something important or interesting to say, but they lost their train of thought or got distracted. They are annoyed or disappointed with themselves for forgetting. Now you know how to analyze and understand this sentence. You also learned about two types of le, the perfective le and the modal le. They are very common and useful in Chinese grammar, so make sure you practice using them correctly. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are learning Chinese, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time. 再见.